Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Gemini, so let's look into your energy and your Twin Flame energy for the rest of July 2021. Also, Gemini, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Gemini, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look into your reading here, Gemini. On this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong fire energy coming up here as well, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. You could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now, looking at your energy here, Gemini, I've got the dark thoughts coming up here, and then I've also got the magician energy coming up here as well. So one thing that I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini, is that you have a very strong manifestation power coming up right in for you here, Gemini. But at the same time here, you're also having doubts within yourself here, your anxiety and your fear, just like negative thinking. But overall here is that you tend to not believe within your own manifestation power, within your own power, I would say here, Gemini. And this is what causing you to have this ungrounded energy and causing you to have this back and forth energy strongly coming up into your energy at this point of time. And I feel like this particular dark thoughts here, your fear, your anxiety, just like overall here, like the frustration and uneasiness, I would say here in general, you're going to feel more of those feelings and more of those energy, especially towards the upcoming full moon for this month of July here, Gemini. So I feel like the main challenge for you here for the rest of this month here, Gemini, is that how to stay in power, in your own power here, how to be staying in your own power, as well as how to be focusing on manifesting all of this positive energy, manifesting all of this energy that you are desiring to come onto your life, not only when it comes into this love and relationship wise, but generally in your life here, your career, your finances, promotion, job related situation, anything that you want to try to manifest here. One thing that you have to understand here is that you need to believe within yourself here that you deserve to receive all of this positive energy. You deserve to receive all of this manifestation and all of these blessings to come onto your life here, and let go of any doubt, let go of any fear that you have within yourself. Do not focus too much on how and on the when of the manifestation is going to come to you, but focusing on the deserving energy, focusing that no matter what here, you are definitely going to be receiving all of this manifestation that you've been waiting for quite a long time, I would say here, Gemini. And then another thing that I've got coming up for you here is that I've got the 10 of Cups energy coming up here. Now the 10 of Cups here is a very powerful energy that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, for this the rest of this month of July 2021. Not only it's going to talking about the emotional satisfaction, the emotional fulfillment, the happiness, and the completion of of your journey, I would say here, in terms of your emotional anxiety, emotional instability here, you're finally going to be reaching out that place where you're going to finally get those emotional satisfaction and happiness in all terms, I would say here, Gemini. I do feel like some of you here is also going to start hearing from your person before this month of July ends, I would say here, Gemini. So I feel like with this 10 of Cups energy coming up, you have to be ready for that to happen. So this is again coming back to what I said in the beginning of the reading. Do not focus too much on how and on the when here. Now looking at your person energy here, this is also really interesting because I've got commitment directly coming up for you here, Gemini. So no matter what here, this is basically talking about your person. They're coming towards you and they're they're coming with a commitment towards you here, Gemini. So they do have this solid intention. They do have this pure intention, solid intention here of wanting to give you the commitment that you desire and that you deserve here, Gemini. And not only that, here with this Temperance energy and the King of Cups here, some of you here, Gemini, have been waiting for quite a long time for your person to come onto your life, for this communication to happen, and moreover here for this commitment to happen to you and your person. So proposal is also another thing that I've got for those of you who are currently together with your person. Proposal energy coming up here. And for those of you who are currently already married with each other, whatever situation or whatever conflicts or misunderstanding that might have been happening between both of you is all going to go away. Now coming back to your person energy here, even though in the past they might seem to be coming up with this Four of Pentacles energy, as in they are not really open with themselves, not really open with their emotion. They tend to be kind of like keeping everything within themselves here. But now they have gone through massive changes coming up here, because one thing that I've got coming up from your person here is that they've been working in silence. So silently they've been working within themselves here. More specifically here is that to bring this emotional stability within themselves. I feel like your person here, Gemini, have gone through some sort of like a childhood trauma or some sort of like an inner child issue, I would say here in the past. Family issue, family upbringing. Some of them here might not really have either a good father figure or good mother figure, or do not really have a good relationship with both of their parents, or even like with one of their parents here. So I feel like this is something that has been affecting them on an emotional level, is what I'm getting here, Gemini. So with this energy that I've got coming up from your person here, they've been working within themselves. Some of them here also have gone through some sort of like a therapy or counseling, I would say here. So they could actually improve within themselves, is what I'm getting coming up for your person here, Gemini. This is also another reason why I've got the healing light coming up here. So this healing energy is something that is happening to both of you, I would say here. But I'm getting a major transformation, or like a major shift is actually already happening with your person energy here for this last couple of months, which you're going to finally see that result before the end of this month of July, or during the upcoming full moon this month of July here, Gemini. So when you're starting to see that, you're going to see like, okay, this is here, like now it's actually making sense here with this healing light energy. And then another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, is that with this full energy here, you are definitely going to have the choice whether you're going to, like let your person come into your life here and start a new journey with them, or what is it that you're going to choose here. You are definitely going to have the choice here. You are the one who's actually in your power to make the decision here, Gemini. So that's it for your reading here, Gemini. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.